During our childhood days, when we visit a city for the first time, whether it might be Hyderabad or Chennai or Bangalore, whether we are in our fourth standard or fifth standard, whatever, you're studying your geography, and suddenly you see a chapter named a city of Hyderabad or city of Chennai. So you will feel more excited. Not only you, like we feel more excited because we already knew that city. Then ultimately we only, even though we know only some part of the city, but still we show more enthusiasm in knowing about the city. We will show much interest to listen about the city, even though we fail to get good marks on other chapters, but we will get 100% marks on that particular chapter because we already have an idea of that particular city. Then that is the only reason why we show much enthusiasm. So like this is something that I follow in my engineering. So if I already knew something, then if the same subject is, being taught by someone else, I show more enthusiasm. So like I figured it out early. So what I did was I tried knowing about everything related to the branch that I'm studying. I'm not an expert in everything, but I tried to learn at least something about everything. Then ultimately, if a subject that I'm say, learning, so if I already knew something about that, then I show more enthusiasm so that like I try to become better at that easily. So whatever it might be, if you have a knowledge of everything, don't think like this is not our core subject, this is not our branch, this is not our area of expertise. So don't think in that manner. So try to learn everything, at least try to learn the high level things of everything. So because if it is possible, like if someone is teaching you, if someone is sharing the information on something, try to learn. Don't just ignore because it is not your field, because someday it might help you. Someday it might create an enthusiasm for you. Someday it will make you better at that particular thing if it's needed. So try to learn everything, at least in high level. So if someone is sharing something, try to learn that, try to watch that video, try to absorb the knowledge from them. So it is the only way that you can make yourself better at something, because wise people never ignore anything. They want to learn everything possible. So I hope this would be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.